Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of the NFL, you know that relationships in sports can be just as intense as the games themselves. Today, we have a jaw-dropping story that involves star tight end Travis Kelce, his ex-girlfriend Kayla Nicole, and a powerful message from his mother, Donna Kelce. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another inside scoop. In the midst of a heated situation where emotions ran high, Donna Kelce, mother of NFL superstar Travis Kelce, found herself in the role of an unexpected mediator. The summer of 2023 had proven tumultuous for Travis and his longtime girlfriend, Kayla Nicole. As rumors of a breakup circulated, the tension escalated, reaching a boiling point when Donna felt it necessary to step in. One sunny afternoon, she decided to call Kayla for a heart-to-heart. "Kayla, it's Donna," she began, her voice steady but maternal. "I know things have been rough lately, but I need to say something important." The tone shifted as she reminded Kayla of the deep bond they'd formed over the years. "You and Travis went through a lot together. I appreciate everything you've done for each other." With care and wisdom, Donna spoke candidly about the relationship's ups and downs. "But right now, I need you to understand something. It's time for you to release him. No hard feelings, just let him go." Kayla, taken aback, felt the weight of Donna's words. "You're a strong, talented woman. Nobody should tear you down or hold you back." Donna's unwavering support for her son was unmistakable, but her empathy for Kayla shone through as well. "Just promise me one thing," Donna continued, her voice lowering to a near whisper. "Nothing should happen to him. I don't want any drama. Move on and wish him well from a distance." In that moment, Kayla realized how deeply rooted Donna's love for Travis ran. While she wasn't ready to say goodbye herself, she understood the importance of moving forward without bitterness. The conversation ended with mutual respect as Kayla felt a sense of closure wash over her. In facing the chaos of their relationship, Donna Kelce had done what any great mother would. She stood up for her son, all while encouraging healing and growth for both parties involved. In the aftermath, the story became a powerful testament to the influence of family love, leaving fans and followers eagerly talking about the impact of a mother's words in the complex world of relationships. Thanks for watching till the end. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe for more updates.